welcome back to my channel. Thank you for coming back to my channel. God bless you. And for new viewers, please subscribe to my channel. For old viewers, thank you for staying with me. I'm going to be talking about how to identify original aneeza face cream. Yes, original aneeza face cream. So many people don't know how to identify the original aneeza face cream. There is this fake in the market. There is this fake in the market that, because the face cream, it works a lot. It does wonders. It is good. So there's fake everywhere. So aneeza face cream, aneeza gold face cream, it is worth buying. It is worth buying. But if you want to buy, you ensure to go for the original one. Ensure to go for the original one. So please, if you are still watching, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Please subscribe to my channel. Subscribe to my channel. Yeah, thank you. So before I'll go into the video, I would like to say, if you are using the product and it's okay for you, I always say that stick to it. If you are using any product, it's okay for you, stick to it. Just be with it. You get why? Just be with it. Don't change product here and there. But if you are using anyone that is not good for you, you might want to try this very one I will show you now to see. But I believe you will like it. Then when you find out it's good for you, stick to it as well. Just let it be. To avoid stories that touch. So I'm going to give you some tips on how you can actually identify the original aneeza gold face cream. The tips on how you can identify the original aneeza gold beauty cream. Before I will go into that, I would also like to say what worked for A might not work for B. Yes, we are talking about products here. What works for A might not work for B. But the good news I want to tell you about this cream is, at least if you get the original one, at least it has worked for majority of people. It has really worked for them. Majority, seriously, it has worked for them. It has. So I have that belief that if you get the original one, you will like it for sure. You will like it, trust me. So some of the tips to get the original aneeza beauty gold facial cream is: one, bam, look at here. You see, there is number at the bottom. There is number at the bottom. You can see that boldly written under it, saying a product of aneeza cosmetics. Now this number is 009230040665558. That is the number. So you ensure to look at the number properly. 00923340665558. Look at it. This is the number boldly written under it. Another tips on how you can identify the original aneeza beauty face cream is that the container is this brown. The fake one, the container is not as brown as this. It's this kind of light brown. No, that is the fake one. It's light brown. It's the fake one. It's not as brown as this. And you will not see this right up added down. You won't see it. You won't see these write-ups. You won't see it. And also going inside of it, this is the inside, right? It's not as soft as this that you can easily take it. It's not. It is very hard inside. It is very, very hard inside. The fake one is hard inside. That is it. It's hard inside. But the original one is easy to take. And the original one, another tip from the inside is that it is it has this creamy look, clean cream. But the fake one is it has dirty cream inside of it. The cream is not the cream color is not that is not pure, it's dirty. But for this original one, the cream color is very pure. It is pure. It is pure inside. It is easy to take. It is shelly in nature. Shelly. That's oh, sorry for that. It's shelly in nature. I'm just putting it on my hand for you to see. It's shelly in nature. So if you want to use it, you don't pack that much to use. You just take and rub on your face at night. That is it about aneeza face cream. That is how to identify the original one. Before I forget, another tip: inside the carton you will see a pamphlet inside the original one. The fake one, most of them, they don't have it. They don't have it. So that is another tip as well. That is another tip as well. When you buy it newly, although it is sealed, so it will be that difficult for you to look through to see the inside. But with the body that I said is very brown, you can use that to identify it when you've not seen inside. Then the write-up, the number at the bottom, the write-up, you can also use that to identify it. So those are the things for you to know the original aneeza face cream, for you not to waste your money going to buy the fake one, because it's very annoying when you end up buying a fake product that it end up not working for you, or it end up giving you negative reaction. It's very bad and it's very annoying. I know how it is. So I decided to make this video for you to know how you can identify the original aneeza beauty gold face cream when you are going to the market to get it. And also, they say cheap article they punch below. If you go, the cream is this size. We have two sizes. The bigger one is sometimes 3,000, 3,500, but this size 2,000. Sometimes you get it 2,500. So it depends. But another way also that you can buy the fake one is when you see another face cream that they'll tell you is 1,000 naira and you went to buy it, or 1,500, you went to buy it. It's your cup of tea. So cheap article is a push belle. Try and get good product, original product that you will use and you will testify to them. Thank you. Thanks for watching. God bless you. Come back to watch more of my video. Like my channel, subscribe to my channel, comment, drop your question down below the comment section. I will be there to answer you. God bless you. Thank you.